For every 100 subscribers this video gains, I will give away 1 bowling ball if Madison makes this fair.
I'm shaking.
Only because tomorrow's National Bowling Day. Welcome to the House Weekly Challenge against my girlfriend, where we bowl with our friend, the ramp. The ramp. I think a good score is going to be like 75, but it's going to be me versus Madison with the ramp. Well, it's already going. It's in the gutter.
Good angle.
Just like real life. Okay. Now we got that issue fixed. That's money. That's gonna hook. It's gonna hook a little bit.
It's better than your first one.
It's a good frame. It's a good frame. I feel like 6 is a good frame. I feel like I'll just continuously lie to myself throughout this video while I lose to Madison.
Whoa! Stop.
Hook. Wow.
Just gotta call it. Just gotta call it.
It's a right-hander's ramp. I gotta clean it up. It doesn't hook as much. Never felt better about this in my life. It's gonna hook too much.
That was pretty good. Maybe if you didn't wipe off the ball, maybe it would have.
I should have left the oil on it.
Should have left it.
Oh my God, that's not enough hook. It's not enough hook. Oh!
Shoot.
This is going terrible. 2 frames and I'm already down big. It's not going well. Is it too early to like tell you guys to subscribe, or it's too early? It's too early. We'll get to that later. Good luck. High scoring. Wow.
I think I need to throw it a little harder.
You need to put really like give some speed on it.
Yeah.
A little more speed on that one.
Still in the lead.
Just one.
Still in the lead.
It's my opportunity. I'm gonna change balls. I'm thinking maybe bigger finger holes will make it hook more. I moved to 2-1 for those of you watching. Oh, bigger finger holes definitely are gonna make it hook more. Ooh.
1, 0.
Ooh. Gotta open up my angles. Gotta open them up a little bit. Should I wipe it off again?
No.
Nah, I learned my lesson, right?
Wrong.
Please hook. Please hook.
That's gonna hook.
Gotta open up my angles even more. Gotta keep going. Gotta keep chasing it. Gotta keep chasing it in. I don't know, what is a good score here? Probably like 100, maybe. Maybe, probably not. Uh-oh.
What? It stayed on the lane. That's all that matters at this point. Because you're not doing anything special.
I feel like,
Pew! Pew, pew!
I feel like shots fired all around. I haven't ate my breakfast. I haven't had like my morning coffee.
Don't even drink coffee. Okay, maybe it was a little steep.
Please, I get the on right. I'm moving a 10 and 5. It's gonna be close. Should I use the 10 pounder?
Sure.
Switching weights. The 10L. How is that hooking left?
I shouldn't have switched weights.
My God. What a bad call. It's becoming embarrassing. I have to be better. I just have to make better shots. Oh boy. That's a tough spare.
Did you see that?
Yes.
That's impressive.
That's a tough spare. Just the 5-pin calling it?
1-5. Like that?
That's probably close, yeah. Yeah?
Are you signing me up for failure?
Yeah, put your fingers on the right side of the ball, and then it'll hook into the gutter.
Or the right side of the ball? No, thank you.
That's gonna be pretty close.
No, that's not gonna get any of them.
On purpose.
Why are you walking it out?
Because I thought I was gonna hook more than that. It's like when you see those, like, we've all seen them. The people in the bowling alley who, it's like my sister, if you're watching this. She throws the ball, and then if it's going to the right, you just gotta walk around it, like peek around the other side so it looks like it's gonna hit the head pin still. Please strike. Spare it. Please spare it. Back in the game.
Don't do that.
That's pretty good. Oh, it's hooking.
That's the last thing I needed.
If you pick it up, I'll buy you a new bowling ball.
Buy me a what?
A new bowling ball. Only because you're on staff.
Well, maybe one.
That hooked a lot.
Maybe that's what I should do more often.
Same spare. Oh.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
I need more hook. What do I get if I make this? You gonna buy me a bowling ball?
I'll give you a high five.
Worth it. I need a little bit of extra hook. That's gonna be close, I think. That was close. Hey.
Bing.
Oh, that's gonna hook a little bit. Oh. Fast 8. It's a tough lead. It's a tough lead. I'm gonna put the pressure on Madison here. You ready?
What?
You ready? Are you ready for me to put the pressure on her? Okay, so tomorrow's gonna be National Bowling Day, which is super exciting. I think everybody gets a free game of bowling on National Bowling Day. Maybe, don't hold me to that. But if Madison makes this spare, for every 100 subscribers this video gains, usually we gain about 200 or 300. For every 100 subscribers this video gains, I will give away one bowling ball if Madison makes this spare.
I'm shaking.
Only because tomorrow's National Bowling Day.
Oh no. Redo.
Well, looks like we're gonna have to cut that.
I'm sorry.
Don't say sorry to me, say sorry to them.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Who knows, maybe there'll be another chance. Oh, hook. Hook.
Cracky, it will.
No, it won't. All right. What about if I make this?
Yeah, same ordeal.
Same deal. Gotta wipe it off. I'm gonna give away 1 bowling ball for every 100 subscribers this video gains. If I make this, or if I miss this. So basically, you gotta subscribe to the channel. The more subscribers we get, I'll give it to the end of the weekend. The more subscribers we get, the more balls we give away.
Woohoo! Oh boy.
Looks like you guys get a bowling ball. Two. All right, if Madison makes this spare. I'm kidding. We already gave away the bowling ball. If you guys subscribe. It's a 1-pin match late in the game. Oh no, it's gonna miss the head pin right. I'm gonna have to throw a backup ball. I'm trying to big hook it. That's straight in the gutter. There's so much hook on the right side of the lane.
You might get one.
Wasn't good. I needed count. Oh my god.
I'm making a spare.
Right
Or
here.
strike. Right here.
Spare right here.
Right here.
Oh, I'll believe it when I see it.
Eeha.
That's gonna leave you something you can make. You can make
Just be
that.
quiet next time.
You can make that.
You're jinxing me.
Oh, that's going in the gutter. Hang on. Hey. Oh, that's good. That's gonna be good.
You didn't strike. Don't look at me like that.
I didn't strike him. I'm about to spare. If I spare this, everybody, if I spare this for every 100 subscribers we get, I'll give away 1 bowling ball. I just moved 1 board with my feet. This should be a make. That's right. Flashing lights, giveaway. Giveaway. Subscribers. National Bowling Day. Let's go!
Oh boy.
Oh, that's hooking. I've seen this one before.
That
I've seen
missed.
this one before.
And missed. And missed. That's not picking it up. I said that's not picking it up as it was like midway down.
Really? Building a lot of big situations, none bigger than this. I'm gonna need that to go, Brooklyn. Let's go! Just as expected, lucky break. I'm the luckiest man alive. Why do you think I wore green? You know what I'm saying? Because I got you. Brooklyn again. Oh, that's pocket.
Did that one hurt?
That's devastating. Please, please. She needs strike spare.
Oh boy.
Ay.
Don't look at me like that.
I didn't think that was going to knock that much.
Unbelievable.
Don't forget, guys, because I made a spare, subscribe to the channel. And for every 100 subscribers this video gets, we're giving away 1 bowling ball. So National Bowling Day is tomorrow. Everybody, go out and bowl. Are you going?